Hi guys, welcome to Lantu Ebike channel. We launched a new model, let's check it out. One of the key features of this model is their 1200 watt powerful motor, which provides the rider with an effortless riding experience. The motor is typically located in the rear wheel hub of the bike frame. In addition to the motor, this bike comes with a 52-volt 25-amp-hour rechargeable battery. It can be easily removed for recharging. Depending on the model, the battery can provide a range of up to 35 to 50 miles per charge. Another important feature is the LED headlight and tail light. These lights not only improve visibility during low light conditions, but also safety for the rider. Finally, various additional features are also available because we are an OEM factory, such as GPS, rear-view mirrors, and cargo racks. These features make electric bicycles a versatile and practical mode of transportation for commuting, adventure or running errands. With their powerful motor, long-lasting battery, and helpful features, it's a great choice for anyone looking for e-bike. That's all. Welcome to leave your comments in the comments section.